Just a quick interruption to remind you that Numismatically Challenged, the first ever CoinTuber quiz, is now available to watch. The reviews are in and it features Christopher Collects, Total Coins, King Oreo, Coin Cupboard, Bungle and Lady M. Go check it out after watching this video. There will be a link in the description below. Now back to today's video. Welcome to this week's video, and we're going to be checking out one of the coolest coins in my collection, and it's a coin, or at least a coin design, that I've spoken about quite a few times in the past and also mentioned on other CoinTuber channels. The reason that I would have mentioned it on other CoinTuber channels is when they ask me what coin got me into collecting, and it is this one. Now this is the D-Day 50p coin from 1994, which of course is an old large size 50p coin. But yeah, that's the design, but this isn't the coin that I want to show off today. The coin that I am going to show off is in this box. So let's just turn this over. So it's the silver-proof Piedfort 50p 1994 D-Day commemorative, or Piedfort if you want to call it that. And I'm just going to open this up now and tell you the reason why it's my favourite design 50p coin. It's because my nan actually gave me this 50p coin back in 1994, and it just piqued my interest in coins, and ever since then I've been collecting. So it comes in the old style Royal Mint box, and on the inside you've got this crest. If I just put the box down a second, you'll just be able to see the coin there, which we'll check out. You get the certificate of authenticity, so 1944 to 1994. And then on the inside you get all of the information. So I'll just leave it there long enough so that you can pause it and read it at your own pace. And you don't actually get a COA number with these. You still do get the coin specs, just written slightly different. So 27 grams, 30 millimeters, and struck in 0.925 silver. And only 10,000 of these were actually ever made. So that's pretty cool. And what we're going to do now is actually have a look at the coin itself. So bear with me while I just try and take this out from here. Easier than I thought. And we'll start off, actually, just clean that up a bit. We'll start off with the obverse. And just look at that. This coin is from 1994 and it's still got that amazing frosted finish. What a beautiful coin. And you can just about start to see how thick that coin is. If you bear with me, after I've shown off the reverse of the coin, I will actually take it out. I'll stick my gloves on in order to do that. But yeah, just look at that. Look at the detail on it. I mean, it's a very detailed coin anyway. But just look at the difference. That is amazing. So like I said, what I want to do now is actually take it out from its capsule, for which I'm going to put the gloves on. So join me in a second and I will have done so. So as you can see, I've now got the gloves on, and I've also put down this microfiber cloth, and that is so that I can pick up this 50p coin much easier than whilst I've got gloves on from the table. Also, when I've finished looking at this coin, I'll be able to place it on here before I actually place it back in its capsule after I've finished filming this video. So like I said, this is a very nostalgic coin for me, and this version, I actually asked my parents for it as a Christmas present. So that is something that I'm always going to treasure, and it'll always be, again, nostalgic because this is from my parents. So let's now just try and tap that out. Came out a bit easier than I thought. And let's check out the coin again. So this is it now outside of its capsule. And just look at that finish. Absolutely gorgeous. And now let's just turn it on its side and just check out the thickness on that coin. So if I just hold that there and get the other coin, I don't want them to hit each other, we can see just how cool that is. Look at that. If I bring it up much closer, it'll probably lose focus. No, there we go. So yeah, that is a double thickness 50p coin, and not only that, but it's the old large sized 50p coin. So yeah, I absolutely love Piedfort or Piedfort coins, and this is by far my favourite one. So let me know in the comment section below, have you got this 50p coin? And if so, which versions did you manage to get? Let me know in the comment section below because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching!